Gentlemen, this is Wow Talk, Wisdom or Worthy Talk. We have with us our special guest and celebrity and actress Bhumika. So, Bhumika, first of all, how was your experience here at Wow Talk and what was the wow moment, the wow factor in your life that you would like to share with the viewers?
I think firstly talking about the experience, I think the moment I landed here has been an experience for me because I think I go way back when it comes to Delhi. I was born in Delhi, and yeah, kind of you could say. And till the age of I think 12 or 11, I was in Delhi, and I miss the food here, but. Wow Talk was one of the main reasons I'm here today, and of course Jitendra ji because he has invited me here. The wow factor about this event is simply about how we need certain things in life, and especially in the generation we have today. We need a lot of supporting. We need a lot of inspiration, empowerment as a generation for each other, and I think this platform is something which provides that, and we have people from different countries here today, and I think I'm so I would say I'm actually awestruck and very excited because I've been a part of a lot of events like this, but this is something different where because we're getting to interact with a lot of people from out of the country and what they think, their perspective, their way of seeing things in life. So I think it's a very good platform, and kudos to Jitendra ji for organizing something like this in these times.
Thank you for your words of appreciation. And what would be your message for your viewers, for your fans and followers, and our viewers?
I would just want to say that the fans have given any celebrity what they have today, and I think I value that because my fans have made me whatever I am today, not maybe that big or not too small, but whatever I have today, the fame, the love, it's all because they love the show, they love to see you, and the love that you receive. So I think I just want to say that keep coming in, keep giving me that love, and I just want to say thank you for all the support. And yes, whoever is there out there, whoever lives in Delhi, should be a part of Wow Talk next time.
Well, thank you so much again for your words of appreciation. And we are truly honored to have such a gorgeous guest like you with us. And we wish you all the very best, Bhumika. Thank you so much.
They're honored to have you as well. You're a wonderful host. I think you're doing a wonderful job. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.